Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, as you can see, we are back at Kroger and we're about to get into some really quick and easy deals. And the best part about today's deals is I don't have any paper coupons. These are going to be all rebate deals, so these should be pretty easy for everyone to do. We're going to get some free laundry detergent. We're going to get some super cheap personal care items. And we are going to do one food deal that I'm super excited about. So since we are at Kroger, let's talk about the one food deal I'm going to be getting into first. So the Mueller's pasta. So it was on sale a couple weeks ago when I did my video, but it is on a better sale today. And it doesn't require any manufacturer coupons. So starting today, we have a buy 6 participating items. You'll save not $50, I wish it was $50, 50 cents instantly when you buy 6. And I always get the question, do you have to buy 6 of the same items? Do you have to buy 5 of the same items? No, you don't. You just have to buy 5 or 6, whatever the sale is, participating items in the sale, and then you will save 50 cents off of each. Now, I am going to be buying 6 boxes of the Mueller's today because I'm not buying anything else that is included in the sale, so I'm going to pick up 6. But if you pick up 5, you will be able to purchase them at 79 cents each as long as you have another participating item in your basket. So with that mega savings, that makes the price on these just 79 cents each. My store is not tagged yet, but 79 cents a piece. And then we have a nice Ibotta rebate giving back 40 cents back. That makes this pasta only 39 cents per box. Let me tell y'all, this is a stock up price, so definitely stock up on this. I'm gonna do this deal twice, once on my account and once on my husband's account. And if you're gonna be making macaroni and cheese for the holidays, for Thanksgiving, this 39-cent price is the time to get stocked up. Go on ahead and buy it now, and that can be one thing that's checked off your list. Now let's get into our free laundry detergent. You guys, I am super excited about the free laundry detergent. It is back. So these laundry detergents, this is the Arm & Hammer 5-in-1 packs. We have a Swagbucks deal. Y'all know I love Swagbucks. If you're not signed up for Swagbucks, use the link in the pinned comment or the description box to get signed up, because this is free laundry detergent, you guys. So this is not marked in my store, but these are actually $2.99 each. They're buy one, get one free. So $2.99 a piece. We buy 2 of them for $6. And guess what, you guys? Swagbucks is giving back $6 for every 2. So that makes it free for 2 packs with a limit of 2, which means we can buy 4 packs. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be picking up 4 of them for $12, and I'm going to get that $12 right back from Swagbucks. And I've already done this deal to confirm it was working. I got my $12 back instantly. But special note, they have the picture of the Clean Burst on this Swagbucks rebate. So the Clean Burst is pictured, but it's actually not working for this rebate. The one with the OxyClean, which is the purple pack, is the one that you want to get. So if you look at the wording on the Swagbucks rebate, it does say with OxyClean. So make sure that you pick that one up and not the blue pack. Get the purple pack. So the Lubriderm is a super good deal this week. We do not get deals on Lubriderm that often, and it is one of my favorite lotions. You guys, this is $3.99 with the store digital coupon. We do have a $1 printable coupon if you want to add a manufacturer coupon into the mix. On the Lubriderm website, I didn't even bother with that. I just wanted to hurry up and get to the store. So they are $3.99. But here's where it gets good. Ebates is giving back $2.50 on each one. So that deal alone makes these 16-ounce bottles just $1.49, which is amazing. Now, when I logged into the Kroger website, I saw that we had an Activate Rewards promotion going on that is specifically for Kroger. So this is different than the regular Activate Rewards that we do at like the drugstores. This is specifically for Kroger. And the way this Activate Rewards deal works is when you buy $25 in participating products, you automatically get a printout with the reward code that you can go on the Activate Rewards site and enter to get your $10 back. So since I've already gone through the process, I wanted to show you guys what this site looks like. So here is a quick image of what you will see when you pull up the Kroger reward site. You do enter in the rewards code that you get on your printout after you make your purchase, and then you can automatically select your card of choice. So I selected the virtual Visa card, so I already got my cash back for spending the $25. I have both of my Visa cards actually because I did this deal twice today. So I decided to go on ahead and pick up a total of 4 of the Lubriderm at the $3.99 price, no coupons, because I wanted to stack the savings. So I'm going to be buying enough to get up to the Activate Rewards promo, and I'm also going to be getting back the Ibotta money. Now, to get that Activate Rewards promo back, buying 4 of them at $3.99 is not going to be quite enough. So I was looking for some other items that I could add in because this Activate Rewards does include things like Listerine, Aveeno, Tylenol, all of those Johnson & Johnson products. I will have this link so you can see everything that's included in the description box and on my blog. Now, I decided to pick up some Aveeno body wash, even though they're not really on a good sale this week and I don't have any manufacturer coupons. The reason I decided to pick them up is because I saw that they were included in this self-care promotion that Kroger has going on. So this is a self-care promo where if you buy $25 in participating self-care products, you should save $10 instantly at the register. So this is all of my items right here. This is going to total us up to $41.43 without any manufacturer coupons being used. And we should save $10 instantly at the register, fingers crossed, on the Aveeno portion of it to bring us down to $31.43. Now $31.43 is a high out of pocket, but work with me, stay with me, because y'all know we're gonna bring it down. So we need to pay that $31.43 at the register, but then we're gonna submit back to Ibotta for a total of $16 in cash back. We should get back $10 for the lotion and $3 for the body wash. And remember, we are also getting back that reward code for Activate Rewards to get a $10 Visa card. So we should get back a total of $26 out of that $31 that we spent. Makes our final cost for this deal $5.43 for all 7 items. All right, you guys, so this is going to be my cart for today, and I'm actually going to do 3 separate transactions. I know a little bit of a pain, but since these are all rebate deals, I want to keep them separate just so I can see what's going on, keep them clean, and so it's easy to submit my receipts. So I'm going to do the Swagbucks deal by itself because Swagbucks does act better when you only keep the things that you purchase for them alone. So I'm going to do that by itself. Then I'm going to do this Lubriderm and Aveeno to make sure that that works properly, and then I'm going to do my pasta separately for Ibotta just to keep it all clean. So let's go up to the front and check out with these 3 deals, and then we will debrief to see how they worked out. All right, you guys, so I want to show you how I decided to ring this transaction out. You don't have to ring it out this way, but this is what I just decided to do for my own comfort level. So the first thing I did was I did scan my Kroger card with this transaction. Since I wasn't using any paper coupons, it didn't matter when it was scanned. So I scanned it, and then I scanned the 3 Aveeno body wash, and then I went on ahead and totaled it out. So I could see that that $10 was gonna come off of my order for the self-care promotion with the Aveeno body wash. So I went on ahead and totaled it after I scanned those 3 Aveeno body wash, and the $10 did come off. So my total came up to like $15 plus tax for the Aveeno. So I knew I was good with that $10 promo. Then I went back in and I scanned in those Lubriderm items. All of the digital coupons came off for that since that Kroger coupon is a limit of 5. My subtotal came up to $31.43 just like we planned. So I paid that $31.43 plus tax, and then I did get back my $10 reward. Now keep in mind this reward does come out of the Catalina machine, so make sure when you're going up, especially if you're at self-checkout, that the Catalina machine is working, that green light is on. If you can see it actively printing before you actually get up there, that's even better because you need the reward code from this Catalina printout in order to enter it on the website. And then here are my receipts for my other 2 transactions. Those went perfectly. I got my money back for the Muellers, and I got my money back for the laundry detergent. Now, where it got interesting is after I paid for the transaction with the Aveeno, Y'all, it gave me a $5 off of two coupon that also printed out of the Catalina machine with my redemption code. So I was like, oh my goodness, y'all are giving me $5 off of the body wash? Hold on, my brain started working. So what I decided to do is I decided to run another transaction using this $5 Catalina coupon to see if I can make this deal just about free. Since it has a cost of $5, let's see if it'll work with this $5 coupon still. So I left that store after I got that $5 coupon and went to another store so I could get to a store that had more Lubriderm in stock to do the deal again. I repeated the process just like I did the first time, but this time at the end I used this $5 coupon, and you guys, it still worked flawlessly. So on my second go round, it comes out to me paying just $26 and then getting back $26, which is so beautiful because you get it for almost free. It's 43 cents total on that second go round. So here is my receipt for that transaction. Everything worked out beautifully, and I did get back $16 on each one of my Ebates accounts for the Aveeno and the Lubriderm. I got back the money just fine for the Muellers. Everything was so good. So this pasta came out good. This can be as low as 39 cents a box. The detergent was completely free. And then these Lubriderm lotions and the Aveeno, both transactions cost us under $6 after our rebates, and we didn't have to use any coupons besides the little printout that Kroger gave us. So I think this was an amazing haul today. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.